been city slipping today, eh?
Yeah.
Guys, if you're coming to Darwin, come to the markets, eh? The markets are awesome. We're going to see Brutus. Are you nervous?
No, I'm excited. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
The bioforce is immense. 2,500.
How's it going? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're in Katherine. We just made our way south from Darwin today, and tomorrow we're doing something very exciting, which is
Going over the WA border.
back to our home state. We've been approved, all of our passes are done.
Yeah, we're finally going back into WA. It feels so weird, eh?
Yeah, we did. I mean, we weren't in Northern Territory quite as long as we'd like to, but with all that's going on at the moment, we're thinking probably better to be safe than to be sorry, because
WA's got their borders open to not New South Wales.
Only Northern Territory and Tasmania right now.
A very low risk, so we can go there without quarantining. So we thought we might as well, and that's what we're doing. So
Yep.
I'm gonna service the car.
What are you doing?
First, we're due for a 10,000 kilometre service. I cheaped out a little bit. I didn't get fuel filters. I should have got some fuel filters, but I think we're alright. Our fuel economy is pretty good in the Troopy. We're lucky. So I'm not going to change the fuel filters. Got some coolant because we'll be hitting the Gibb River Road soon. Got some duct tape as well. Always need some duct tape. I'm going to change the diff oils. I haven't done the diff oils for a while, and I'm interested to see what the oil comes out like and what colour it's going to be. So I'll show you guys that when I'm doing it, and we'll do an oil change. So yeah, oil filter, oil change, that's about it. But anyway, I'm going to get into that, and see you soon.
What am I going to do?
What are you going to do?
I don't know.
I don't know. Megan's going to read a book.
Oh yeah, I got
her
my
money
book
book.
still. What have you done?
Guys, tip number 1, don't use a spanner to undo the sump plug.
I think tip number 1 would be wear gloves.
To tighten the bloody sump plug. Tip number 2 is to wear gloves. Oh mate, it's going well. Well guys, diff oil was magnificent. I couldn't believe it. It was clear as hell. It's like the day I put it in, it looks the same. So I'm not going to change it, but if anyone's watching and they want to know what oil I was going to use that one there, 80W90 Outback hardened oil. So that's what I was going to use. Pretty stoked when the old Troopy performs like that, eh?
Yeah.
Stoked. All right, so dinner time.
Yes.
And then bed, and then we've got a massive drive tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Almost there, guys.
4 hours down, 1 to go.
Yep, what a drive. Lucky we left in the morning though, because it was nice and cool for the car, and now it's hot and you can feel the car slowing down.
Yeah.
So lucky we left in the morning.
And we're going to WA, so we haven't lost too much time, because once we get over the border we get an extra hour and a half back in our day. So
we've got all this fruit as well.
Our lunch, we've got two oranges, 3 mandarins, 3 apples, 3 strawberries, 1 banana that we need to eat in an hour.
And all the landscapes are changing again. It's awesome.
Yeah,
There's
it's
this
so
massive
beautiful.
Mountains. We're just lucky we're crossing the border. We've been approved, so we haven't been to any hotspots.
Although Jack accidentally submitted one application that said he had COVID symptoms and it came back denied.
Yeah, so I had to do it again. It's pretty funny. But yeah, we're all approved, and we'll see ya on the other side.
See you in our home state.
go, guys.
Oh, look our sign.
Welcome to Western Australia.
Hi, home.
We're going in, guys. We'll see you on the other side. We're back in, guys. Forgot these are in the fridge as well, and they're like, we're gonna have to take the chocolate. I was like, hell no. There you go.
Thank you.
Celebratory
welcome home 12.
Far out, it's been so long since we've been here.
Yeah, it's like bittersweet. I'm excited to, you know, see, especially this part of WA which we've never seen before, like Lake Argyle and the Gib. But it's also like, oh, I just know that the trip is coming closer to the end.
Yep.
So.
But first stop is going to be Lake Argyle.
Yeah, so we called them yesterday and they said they don't take bookings, just get there, you know, as early as you can. And we were thinking, oh God, it's going to be like 2 o'clock by the time we get there. It's not that early, but we forgot about the time difference. Yep. So I think we're pretty sweet, so I'm really, really excited.
So now we're going to drive all that way and hope to God we get into Lake Argyle.
We'll just stay positive and we'll be sweet.
We'll see you there. Alrighty guys, we have finally made it into Lake Argyle Caravan Park after about 5 or 6 hours, you reckon?
Yeah, about
5 hours. And was it worth the wait?
Yeah, it doesn't even feel like a caravan park, it feels like a resort.
It does.
I mean, we are sort of squashed in like sardines, but it's to be expected.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we had to wait, but we were able to like use the pool and have a look around in the meantime. So I just spent pretty much the whole day by the pool. It was pretty sick.
It's awesome. But yeah, we're packed in like sardines, but I think it's so nice that it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. They got a live band tonight and we're going to get some drinks, eh?
Yeah, we literally said like 3 days ago, all right, that's it, we're not treating ourselves anymore, but it just feels like such a holiday mood here, so I feel like we have to.
So we're off to get some drinks, guys. We'll see you soon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Not good morning anymore.
Well, kind of. We've just
Kind of good morning.
come into Kununurra this morning to do our groceries.
Yep.
And then we were on our way to another bucket list location, but we read that there's some springs nearby to Kununurra, so we're just going to go check them out.
Yeah, there's a few things in Kununurra that you can come see, but we'll come to these springs first.
So this is called Molly Springs, and we're thinking possibly if it's a bit shaded down there, we might just spend the day here and then drive until about sunset, so then we sort of miss all the heat, because I think it's going to be about 36, 37 degrees today.
Yeah,
so.
we're making our way to the Bungle Bungles. I cannot wait, Dave.
Yeah, it's been so high on my list for so long. It just looks like an absolute
It's going to be a banger.
photography dream come true.
But anyway, Lake Argyle, we said it already. You got to go. You have to stop.
Yeah, I mean for $37 for a resort basically a resort style stay is pretty cool.
Gotta go. But anyway, we're gonna make our way to these springs and we'll see you in a bit. Have a look at the campsite, mate. Love a good free rest stop, mate. Love a good free rest stop, mate.
Yes.
You can't hear me.
Not bad.
What's the plan?
Well, we're trying to wait for our dinner to get cooled down because we're trying poke bowls for the first time.
Dinner, baby.
So we felt like sort of salad vibe, but not really salad. So
What's in it?
Well, it's like
Let
rice.
the audience know, mate.
Rice, chili prawns, and then we've got cucumber, avocado, and then you're supposed to do like shredded cabbage and like a sesame dressing. And I couldn't really be bothered with that, so I got Asian style slaw, which is cabbage with a sesame dressing. So
keen. But we have to wait for it to go cold, so we're going to be waiting a while by the looks of it.
yeah, I think we're just going to have it like lukewarm.
Yeah.
Not really.
But we're 74 kilometres away from the Bungle guys. Bungles. The Bungle guys. And I'm so keen.
I'm so excited.
So excited.
Especially we me some other travellers today that told us a few little hints about the place, so it made me even more excited.
It's going to make for some awesome footage, I think. But a lot of driving today. We're going to eat some dinner and we're going to head off to bed, I reckon.
Yeah.
And actually, we're going to enjoy the sunset. It looks wicked. But anyway, dinner time. See you later. Megan, what do you think? This is definitely not an Instaverse reality. This is.
Speechless.
We drove 43 kilometres the wrong way.
I read the map wrong.
Can't even explain it. It's incredible.